Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial how to turn off notification in the news on LinkedIn for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. First we go to the LinkedIn application that you have been to install it before. Click on the LinkedIn. And after that you can click the symbol or the photos in the upper of the left corner and go to the settings. Okay, for the next step you can go to the visibility and slide away until you find about the notify connection when you are in the news. Click on. And how to be turned off the notification is you can slide away, or you can slide here until you find has the gray one. And now this is the automatically you are not have notification for the news. Usually notify your notification and followers when you're mentioned in the news, and it has the off here. It's very simple way to do it. This is a tutorial how to turn off notification in the news on LinkedIn for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.